Fixing up your home can take a symphony of skills. And your contractor is like the conductor of that symphony. But sometimes, mistakes are made. If your contractor doesn't have a valid state license, you're 100% liable. Check the license first. Learn more at checkthelicense1st.com. Brought to you by the Contractor State License Board.
From 2007 until mid-2012, the Yolo County District Attorney's Office and the Contractor State License Board have arrested 123 unlicensed contractors. This represents an average of 27 arrests per year. For most people, our homes symbolize our biggest investment. When we hire a contractor to make improvements to our homes, we all want to know that the contractor has the necessary training and expertise to finish the job in a timely and in a professional manner. The California Contractor State License Board is the governmental agency that is tasked with the responsibility of issuing licenses, regulating, and monitoring all construction trades within the state of California. Each trade, such as electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and landscapers, are unique and require individual licenses for each of those classifications. When presented with a prospective contractor, the law requires that if the project exceeds the value of $500 in labor and materials, he or she must have a contractor's license. A license ensures that proper insurances are in place to protect the consumer from faulty or shoddy workmanship. A license also ensures that the person doing the work has the legal character necessary to do the work in the state of California. So how does a consumer check to make sure that a prospective contractor has the necessary license? The easiest way is to call the Contractor State License Board at 1-800-321-2752. The contractor's 6-digit license number can be entered into the system to verify that the license is both valid and current. You should find this number on the contractor's business card or ask to see his pocket license. You may also go to the website located at www.cslb.ca.gov. On the left side and under the governor's picture, you will notice a box called Instant License Check. By clicking on this tab, you may check a license either under the person's license number, business name, personnel name, home improvement salesperson, license number, or name. In addition to finding that a person has a license, you can determine who has issued their construction bond and who the workers' compensation insurance carrier is. Why does this matter? Why do we care? The construction bond protects the job in the event the workmanship is not to industrial standards. It is a monetary promise to do the job right. If the job is not to industry standards, the property owner could use the proceeds from the bond to fix the error. Did you know that most homeowners have minimal coverage for injured workers? Knowing that a contractor has the needed insurance protects the property owner in the event of a workers' compensation injury. If a contractor fails to provide workers' compensation insurance as required by law, the property owner becomes responsible for any injuries that may occur. A serious injury could easily exceed any homeowner's insurance limits and thus create a huge financial liability. These are a few helpful tips when dealing with contractors. First, a legitimate contractor knows he or she must provide a written estimate for all jobs. Make sure you understand the terms of the contract before you sign. Never pay more than a 10% deposit or $1,000, whichever is less. All forms of advertisement, including the estimate, must have the contractor state license number displayed. You should verify that license number before signing a contract. If the contractor intends to use workers, he or she must have workers' compensation insurance. If the contractor says that the workers are subcontractors, then they too must have a contractor's license and workers' compensation insurance for their people. If the contractor says that the laborer is his son or a relative, unless the relative has an ownership interest in the business and is legally claiming an exemption under the workers' compensation insurance laws of the state of California, they too must be covered with workers' compensation insurance. Finally, make sure that the contractor you're considering using has the proper license classification to do the job you're asking to be done. By being careful and checking your contractor out before signing the contract, you can save yourself thousands of dollars in loss and aggravation in the future.